Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the aspect ratio of a video in CapCut PC. So for instance, you want to make your video so it fits the usual Instagram feed. You're just going to grab a video and then you're just going to select ratio here, and you're going to select the 1:1 ratio for Instagram. This can also be for Instagram, but it's the more kind of portrait mode-ish. This one's for Instagram stories. Just scale it to fit it. And if you want to go back to the original, just select original or 16:9. Double click on scale to also change it back to normal. But yeah, that is it. Really, it is super simple. If you don't want to zoom in your image, you can definitely go and select canvas and select blur instead to have this as a background. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!